We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing names, some of the most mispronounced ones in fact, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say it in English? It is generally said as Natalia with a schwa sound as the first syllable, but some might say it also as Natalia, Natalia, clearer R sound or an sound at the beginning, Natalia or Natalia. Of course, in Spanish or Italian, more Latin languages, it is generally said as Natalia, but in English it is often pronounced as Natalia. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? You will after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.